Namaste everyone. I'm Anushka Jadhav, a third year student from IHM Mumbai. I'm very honored to be sharing a very traditional, authentic dish, which is a festive treat of the Bega tribal community of the Manda district of Madhya Pradesh. So now we're going to heat up our kadai and we're going to add some ghee and roast our dry fruits first. So I've taken some almond and cashew and these will be used only for garnishing. I've kept the flame really low so that our millets don't burn. So I've added ghee in this for roasting the dry fruits, and I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of the ghee. So in this recipe totally we are going to use half or a little lesser than half a cup of the ghee. And first we'll take our Kodo millet and we are going to fry these really well. Next up, I'm going to add the Kutki or the little millet. I'm going to fry this as well. I'm going to boil half a liter of milk. So once our milk starts to boil, we're going to lower the flame and add in our roasted millets into the milk. And now we are going to let this cook and thicken up a bit so that the millets also cook, and we'll keep stirring it in between. So it's been almost 20 minutes. This kheer has been cooking and it has thickened up a lot. It just needs more 5 to 10 minutes of cooking, and this was because I had soaked the millets for 3 hours prior, and the soaking not just reduces its cooking time, but it also is important because millets are hard to digest, and so we need to soak them really well to increase their nutritional value and also to make them easy to digest. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook for another 5 minutes. And while this is cooking, I'm going to tell you the cultural significance of the Kodo Kulki Kheer. So this is an indigenous preparation and this is a festive treat prepared by the Bega tribe. Now this is highly nutritional as it is made up of millets. It has a lot of fiber in it, and the Bega used to make this as a sweet preparation, though these millets are also used to make staple rice, everyday rice, and also a particular food preparation called page is made using these millets. So this Kodo Kulki Kheer is a traditional millet-based dessert made by and it is inspired by the indigenous food culture of the Bega tribe of Madhya Pradesh. This tribal community has historically depended on the forest and natural ingredients for their food preparations, and they have also depended on hard millets because these are not drought resistant, hence making them extremely sustainable. They also have high nutritional value. They are very rich in fiber. So our kheer has thickened up in the right consistency, and now I'm going to add sugar because this is almost 90% cooked. I'm going to add the sugar, and once I add the sugar and it melts, the consistency will become slightly runny, but it will eventually thicken up as it cooks and then cools down when we plate it. These millets are not just their staple grains, they are a symbol of the Bega community's identity and spiritual heritage. According to the Bega oral traditions, they have believed that these millets were divinely gifted to them by their ancestors and have been cultivated using the bebar, which is the shifting cultivation technique, for centuries. And these millets have been prepared during several occasions, usually festive occasions, as a festive sweet treat, and they are also highly nutritious. And this recipe, this Kodo Kulki Kheer, is a commitment to their indigenous food preparations. Our kheer is ready. Our kheer is ready, and I'm going to garnish this with the dry fruits, the cashew and the almonds that we had fried in the beginning. Our Kodo Kulki Kheer is ready.